calcium carbonate powder is a key material in industries like plastics, rubber, coatings, paper, and construction. To meet various application demands, precise control over particle size, throughput, and consistency is required. This requires an optimized calcium carbonate powder grinding production line. A typical calcium carbonate powder production line consists of crushing, feeding, grinding, classifying, dust collection, and finished powder packing. Limestone or calcite is first crushed to the required size and fed into the grinding mill. The ground material is then conveyed by airflow to a classifier where particles are sorted by size. Qualified powder is sent to the dust collection system and packaged, while oversized particles are returned to the grinding mill for further processing. The ball mill grinding line uses impact and attrition between grinding media and raw material. It is ideal for medium to large-scale operations, offering high capacity and stable throughput. Paired with a high-efficiency turbo classifier, it produces finely ground calcium carbonate powders with a narrow particle size distribution. The ring roller mill utilizes compression and rolling forces between multiple grinding rollers and the grinding ring. This mechanism increases energy efficiency with low maintenance. The Raymond mill operates based on centrifugal grinding and internal classification. It's a compact system known for stable operation and simple maintenance. The Raymond mill has a higher sieving rate than the ball mill and ring roller grinding mills. Choosing the right grinding plant helps optimize particle size control, reduce energy consumption, and improve long-term system reliability in calcium carbonate powder production. Interested in optimizing your calcium carbonate powder production? Contact Daswell today for expert guidance on selecting the best grinding solution for your needs.